How can you set a birthday reminder within the Google Calendar application? Let me talk about it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, there are two main ways how you can approach this. Like, some people just open up their Google Calendar, start a new event, choose the date. Perhaps they pick the all-day event and then, they name it as a birthday for someone else, right? This is okay. You can even choose it to be repeating every year. So, you can kind of like set it up that way. But of course, this feature or this event can be reminded. So you can have like the reminders for that particular event, set it up exactly the way that you want, and you'll be reminded about someone else's birthday and, is basically going to keep on repeating every year. So that's one way to do that, but that's technically not like birthday as classified within the calendar. It's just an event, right? So that's okay if it works, but there is also the dedicated birthday calendar within the Google Calendar, right? And you can click on the three lines, right? Like so, click on the settings and tap on that birthday calendar, and it basically allows you to synchronize your contacts and access the information for some people. And if those contacts also contain the birthday of the people that you have there, it's going to automatically sync it with the calendar, and it will put it as a dedicated birthday event into that calendar, right? So this is a nice way to automate it if you don't want to manually just set up the events. And also you have the settings to set up the reminders for those synced birthdays. So that's how you can do it as well, right? So as I said, there are two main ways. If you just quickly want to set it up, then you can use the event route, but then there is also the dedicated birthday section, which is probably more useful in the long run. So let me know which option you decided to go with. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the upcoming quick tutorials and tips like this, and I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.